Bienvenidos, chicos y chicas. Welcome back, boys and girls, to Español con Webster. Everybody, this is week 7, lesson 7, assignment 7. Can't believe it, it's been 7 weeks of online learning. I hope everybody's doing great. I hope everyone's getting used to it. I wanted to just come and welcome you guys to this new week. And I am here at the Equestrian Center in Parkland at Temple Park. Just wanted to show you this place. This is where people come out and they can horseback ride, and people that own their horses can come and take lessons and things like that. So for this week, boys and girls, all of the assignments will be due on Friday, May 1st by 1 p.m. Again, all the assignments for week 7, assignment 7, will be due on May 1st, Friday by 1 p.m. You're looking at a little bit more of the Equestrian Center here at Parkland, and just wanted to show you an area here where they let the horses practice and ride around. They also do shows here at some point in the year. And another thing that they do on the other side of this place that you're seeing is they do farmers market during a certain section of the year, where you can come out and get fruits and vegetables. And they also have craft markets where you can buy lots of crafts and plants and all sorts of things. It's pretty neat. So this is a really nice area. Just wanted to show this to you. And now you're seeing a little bit of the sunset, which looks really beautiful. Okay, chicos y chicas, I hope that you guys are going to have a fabulous week. Hang in there. Before you know it, it will be the end of the school year. And then before you know it, it will be summer. I hope everyone is staying safe, staying indoors, and stay healthy. Wishing you a fantastic week. So let's get inside and let's get to work. Bienvenidos, chicos y chicas. Welcome back to Español con Webster. Welcome back, boys and girls. Thank you for tuning in. This is week 7, boys and girls, lesson 7, and you will have assignment 7 at the end of the video. Hope everyone's having a fantastic week so far. As you can see, we have an adorable little native doll here today. And this cute little native doll was actually purchased in the country of Ecuador. It was purchased about 2 years ago when I went with my family, and they have a really nice craft outdoor market where I purchased this adorable native doll. And this is kind of representing some of the natives that live in the mountains in Ecuador, where they have this particular skirt that is very, very common amongst them. And they do work alongside of their babies a lot, especially when they're selling or working in the marketplace. So that's just a little update on that cute little native doll. Today we are starting Capítulo 2, Chapter 2. By now, all of you should have turned in your Chapter 1 test. Thank you for all of those who turned them in on time. Excelente trabajo, good job, excellent work. Okay guys, so let's watch this adorable little video about Puerto Rico, and then I'll tell you why. Just 30 seconds.
We spent 5 glorious days in Puerto Rico with our kids, a unique and culturally rich country at the edge of the Caribbean Sea. Puerto Rico offers a rich mix of family attractions, including beautiful beaches, great cuisine, and even a rainforest. The best time to visit Puerto Rico is said to be mid-April to mid-June, but during our March visit, things were just perfect. Steady sunshine enabled us to visit the beach almost every day. If you're planning to visit the island, here are 6 highlights from our trip to Puerto Rico. Walk through colorful old San Juan to soak in.
All right, so that just gave you a little bit of info regarding Puerto Rico, but I will tell you in a second why we're talking about Puerto Rico. Let's start with our objectives. So 5th and 6th grade, this video is for you, 5th and 6th grade, and here is Capítulo 2. The title of this chapter is Alumnos y cursos. Alumnos means students, actually means male students, but when you put the male students and the female students, you call them alumnos, students, y cursos, and courses or classes. Okay, there's a bunch of adjectives here, a bunch of objetivos. We're only going to look at the first 2. So in this chapter, you will learn 2. We're gonna have Monica with us. And Monica, just read the first 2 objetivos.
Describe people and things. talk about more than one person or thing.
Fantastico. Thank you. Gracias, Monica. So basically, you're going to learn how to describe people and things in this chapter, and you're also going to learn how to talk about more than one person or thing. So 5th and 6th grade, so chickadees, to accomplish those two objectives, we are going to start with the beginning of this chapter, which is the vocabulario page. We're on page 44, and it's asking us quiénes son. There are about 4 people on this page. Quiénes son means who are they? And before we could talk about who these people are, we're going to talk a little bit about Puerto Rico. That's why I showed you that little tiny brief 30-second or 30-second plus more video about Puerto Rico. Where is Puerto Rico? Think about that. Some of you are maybe from Puerto Rico, or some of you may have a mom or a dad that's from Puerto Rico, and you know this. But if you don't, let's think about this. Where is Puerto Rico? So, Puerto Rico, ¿a dónde está Puerto Rico? Where is Puerto Rico? How about Monica? Monica, can you read for us the very first sentence?
Puerto Rico is an island.
It's an island, guys. Most of you know that. Maybe one of 2 of you may not know that, but it is an island. Number 2 over here, Monica.
It is southeast of Florida,
Good. And number 3, Monica.
located in the northeastern Caribbean.
And the last one.
If you are born in Puerto Rico, you are Puerto Riqueño.
Good. Now, Puerto Rico, guys, it is an island. It's southeast of us, of Florida. It is located in the northeastern Caribbean. I'm going to show you on the map in just a second. If you're born there or you have very close family members, your ancestry is of Puerto Rico. In Spanish, you are known as Puerto Riqueño. If you're a girl, you're known as Puerto Riqueña. So, now that we read all those sentences, maybe that doesn't mean much to you without a map. That's why yo le estoy mostrando el mapa. I am showing you the map. Boys and girls, check it out. Here is La Florida, Florida. We have Miami over here. You know, Miami is just south of us. So if you look at Miami and you go south, we have Cuba. If we go over here, we have Haiti, for those of you that are from Haiti or have parents or grandparents from Haiti. And then you have the Dominican Republic, and finally you get to the small orange island. This is the island of Puerto Rico. It is a commonwealth of the United States. Boys and girls, Puerto Rico is a commonwealth of the US. And check out this little tiny P word right there. Monica, can you read that?
Ponce.
Ponce. That is a city in Puerto Rico. And the reason I'm pointing that out is because the book is going to talk about people who come from Ponce. So, Puerto Rico is an island. If you're from there, you are considered Puerto Riqueño. And Ponce is a city in Puerto Rico. Okay, guys? So, it is a commonwealth of the U.S. Okay, chickadees. So, Capítulo 2, Alumnos y cursos. That's the title of our new chapter. Here is some vocab that we're going to learn before we read. All right, number 1 is también, which means also. Repeat this at home after me, guys. I'm going to have Victoria repeat this after me. Okay, Victoria, también.
También.
Pocos.
Pocos.
Pocos means a few. Misma.
Misma.
Means the same. Escuela.
Escuela.
School. You know this from last chapter, guys. Inteligentes.
Inteligentes.
That means intelligent. And you know this from Capítulo 1, boys and girls. Pequeña.
Pequeña.
What does that mean, Victoria?
Small.
Small. Fantástico, Victoria. Número 7, aburrida.
Aburrida.
What does that mean, Victoria?
Bored.
Boring. All right. Alumnos.
Students. Male students.
Male students. Very good, Victoria. So alumnos are male students. All right. Now let's move into number 9. What's alumnas? Repeat it first, Victoria.
Alumnas.
What is that?
Female students.
Female students. Very good. Female students. Okay. And número 10, amigos.
Male friends.
Male friends. Good. So if you have an amigo, you have a male friend. What's amigas, Victoria?
Female friends.
Female friends. Boys and girls, if you are taking notes with this video, you can pause it at this time and write these vocabulary words. You're going to need them in order to do your assignment. So last time, everybody repeat. También.
También.
Pocos.
Pocos.
Misma.
Misma.
Escuela.
Escuela.
Inteligentes.
Inteligentes.
Pequeña.
Pequeña.
Aburrida.
Aburrida.
Alumnos.
Alumnos.
Alumnas.
Alumnas.
Amigos.
Amigos.
Amigas.
Amigas.
I have a question. Victoria, could you answer this? If you're saying that a class is boring, you would say la clase es aburrida. And I would say aburrida because clase is feminine. But what if the noun is masculine? What would that become, Victoria?
Aburrido.
Very good. Good job. So aburrida can either be to talk about a female noun, or aburrido talks about a male noun, all right, or a masculine. Now we're on page 44. We have here two of our vocab words, las alumnas, these are some students, female students. Las amigas, they are friends, female friends. Los alumnos, these guys are male students, perhaps at a high school. And los amigos, they're friends. We'll find out more about them here. Here we go. ¿Qué son? What are they? I'll read the first two lines and we will let Victoria read the last three. Here we go. Marta y Adela son puertorriqueñas. Martha and Adela are Puerto Rican. Juan y Ricardo son puertorriqueños también. Juan and Ricardo are Puerto Rican also. There's that word, también. All right, Victoria.
Los cuatro amigos son de Ponce. Ellos son alumnos en la misma escuela. Son muy inteligentes.
Thank you. That was really good reading. So, los cuatro amigos, the four friends, are from Ponce. What's Ponce, Victoria?
It's a city
Where?
in Puerto Rico.
There it is. Good job. And then ellos son alumnos. They are students en la misma escuela, in the same school. There's that word misma. And son muy inteligentes means they are very intelligent. Check them out. They got their backpacks, their books. They're probably studying over here for their class. Who knows? But they are considered muy inteligentes. All right. So before we end this video and before I introduce to you your assignment, we're going to read page 45, just the very first illustration. ¿Cómo son las clases? What are the classes like? Let's talk about this box only. We have la clase, which means the class, and el profesor, which means the male professor. Victoria, read for us all of those sentences.
Es una clase pequeña. ¿Cuántos alumnos hay en la clase? Hay pocos alumnos en la clase. Es una clase aburrida.
All right, so 5th and 6th grade. I would bet that about half of you know exactly what this whole paragraph means, and the other half might only pick up on some words. But that's very good. You guys are coming along. So, es una clase pequeña means it is a small class. ¿Cuántos alumnos hay en la clase? How many students are there in the class? ¿Hay pocos alumnos en la clase? There are a few students in the class. Es una clase aburrida. It is a boring class. And you see this girl here? She kind of looks a little bored. This guy over here looks like he's about to fall asleep. So yeah, they're not having a lot of fun in that class. Okay, guys? Entonces, chicos y chicas, so moving on, boys and girls, here's your assignment. Assignment 7, lesson 7, week 7. It is due May 1st, 2020. You get 2 points for writing your name, and you get 2 points for the date. So today, let me think of today's date. Okay, so la fecha hoy, today's date is el 27 de abril. Abril has a little A because in Spanish we don't capitalize those months. De 2020. Victoria, read the date for us.
27 de abril de 2020.
Fantástico. So, boys and girls, very easy assignment. You are going to write each word in Spanish. In Spanish 2 times. Do not translate, guys. Don't translate it. Just copy the Spanish word twice. Print neatly. Here it is. Number 1, también, pocos, misma, pequeña, alumnos, aburrida. We just went over these vocab. You're going to write them 2 times. In Spanish, not in English. In Spanish. All right. Now, the next direction, say, read each sentence in Spanish carefully. Repeat each sentence, then bubble in what the statement means. So I cannot tell you what this means. I'm only going to read it with Victoria. So I will read it, then Victoria will repeat it. You'll repeat it at home, and then you'll think about what it means. Here we go. Número 1. Fernanda va a la misma escuela que Tomás.
Fernando va a la misma escuela que Tomás.
Be careful, there's the vocab word. Next one, Tatiana y Elena son puertorriqueñas.
Tatiana y Elena son puertorriqueñas.
Be careful. Los amigos están en una clase pequeña.
Los amigos están en una clase pequeña.
And notice in green, guys, I underlined your vocab word. All right, number 4, la clase de filosofía es aburrida.
La clase de filosofía es aburrida.
All right, número 5, Victoria, read it for us.
Where was the native doll from the video purchased?
So if you are watching the whole video like you are supposed to, you'll know where the native doll was purchased. And number 6, Monica. Why don't we bring back Monica? Read it for us.
What is the code number for this video?
The code number? What code number? Well, I didn't give it to you yet. The code number for this video is 379. 379. One more time, people. 379-379. That is the code number for this video. So boys and girls, take your time, take notes, enjoy the video, and when you're done, take your assignment, print, and a wonderful week. Chicos y chicas, we'll see you back next week. Have a good one.